Hello everyone, we are here with another vocabulary video. The most important thing about learning new words is repetition. You have to read the new words every day. Young learners like you can memorize them really fast. So let's go learn the names of the things in the kitchen. What's this? It's an apron. Apron. What's this? It's a blender. Blender. What's this? It's a bowl. Bowl. What's this? It's a chimney. Chimney. What's this? It's a chopper. Chopper. What's that? That's a chopping board. Chopping board. What's that? That's a cutlery set. It has a knife, a fork, and a spoon. What's this? It's cup and saucer. Cup and saucer. What's this? It's a dishwasher. Dishwasher. What's this? It's a fridge. Fridge. What's this? It's a frying pan with an omelette. What's this? This is a gas cylinder. Gas cylinder. What's this? It's a gas stove. Gas stove. What's this? It's a grater. Grater. What's this? It's a hand towel. Hand towel. What's this? It's a kettle. Kettle. What's that? It's a knife. Very sharp knife. Be careful. What's this? It's a mug. You could have tea or coffee or milk in it. What's this? These are napkins. Napkins. What is that? That's a microwave oven. Microwave oven. What's this? It's an oven mitten. Oven mitten. What's this? It's a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. What's this? It's a plate with sandwiches. Yum! What's this? This is a saucepan. Saucepan. What is that? That's a sink with tap and some utensils needing cleaning. What's this? It's a spoon. Spoon. What's this? It's a strainer. Strainer. What's this? It's a griddle. Mommy makes chapati on it. What's this? It's a teapot. Teapot. What's this? It's a toaster. Toaster. What's this? It's a whisker. Whisker.